Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix AutoCAD startup crash on Windows 11 using the easy method. This is a great way to stop your drawing program from shutting down automatically so your digital workspace opens up perfectly every single time. Step 1. Open the app properties and change the compatibility settings. The first step is to locate the main shortcut icon for your drawing program sitting on your desktop and adjust its system settings so it plays nice with your new computer update. Move your mouse pointer over to your main desktop icon, right-click the file logo, click the option at the bottom that says Properties, and select the tab marked Compatibility at the top, and select Run this program in compatibility mode for, and select an older version of your operating system from the drop-down list. As you can see, if you right-click on a basic arrow shortcut icon on your desktop, the computer might only show you the shortcut path details instead of the deep system controls. So make sure to look at the actual main AutoCAD file, not the Quick Link button. Step 2. Turn on the Run as Administrator checkbox. Next, you need to use that same settings window to grant the application full permission rights so it can access all your computer's memory drives when it boots up. Stay inside your Open Properties panel, move your mouse down to the Settings section near the bottom, and click the empty box next to the line that says Run this program as an administrator. Click the button at the bottom that says Apply to locking your changes, and then tap the OK button to shut the window. Because many modern computers block security paths to keep your files safe, which can accidentally stop your heavy drawing program from loading its core layout. By checking this administrative box, you give the software a golden key to bypass these internal blocks. It ensures the program can gather all its needed startup files quickly without getting stuck behind a silent system wall. Now you need to enter your computer's main storage viewer and delete the hidden, broken verification files that are confusing the program's registration check when you open it. Open your main folder tool, click inside the top location bar, paste the shortcut word path for your hidden application data folder, find the folder named after the software's license manager, open it, and throw away the login file inside. Drag the broken registration file directly into your trash bin and empty the bin completely to clear it out of your system memory. Step 4. Update your computer's main display driver. Right-click your Start button on the taskbar, select the line that says Device Manager, click the arrow next to Display Adapters, right-click your screen card name, and select Update Driver. Click the option to search automatically for the freshest update files on the internet and let the computer install them for you. Because your drawing program requires a lot of visual power to map out your files, and an old screen setup will cause the software to break down right away. Once you finish installing this fresh display update, your computer parts will understand exactly how to handle the heavy interface layers. Now your troubleshooting setup is completely finished and your workspace is ready to use. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. And that's it. To fix AutoCAD startup crash on Windows 11, you must first open the program properties and change the compatibility settings. Then you check the box to run the app as an administrator to clear security paths. Next, you look inside your folders to clear out the corrupted licensing files from the hidden data folder. Finally, you open your device manager and update your display driver to give your screen full power. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.